Welcome to BuyTheDips.news. Today is March 19th, 2026. Our AI model found 7 stocks today with both an article by rating and a metrics by score. In this video, we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. BLTR. Technology sector. Software. Infrastructure. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, gained after Mizuho reiterated its outperform rating and $195 price target following meeting with company leaders. The reaffirmation shows that people still believe in Palantir's development prospects, especially as both government and business clients still want data analytics and AI systems. The firm has been focusing more and more on AI-driven products, which expand on its core data integration platforms. Analysts are still positive about the firm, which means it is still seen as a major beneficiary of government spending on AI technology. The next thing that could move the stock is more news from management on how many customers are using the service and when earnings will be released. Here are the key growth metrics for PLT. Our sales growth trailing 12 months, 56.2%. EPS growth next 5 years, 52.7%. Target price upside, 24.8%. Gross Margin Prozent, 82,4%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 25.5%. Overall score, 91.00 out of 100. Metric rating buy. To summarize PLT, our article recommendation is buy. Growth stock score is 91.00 out of 100. Metric rating buy. MU. Technology sector. Semiconductors. Micron Technology Inc. MU fell more than 5% in Thursday morning trading after the memory chipmaker reported results and outlook that drew mixed reactions from analysts who largely pointed to strong fundamentals but flagged near-term margin and pricing dynamics. The stock move followed Micron Technology's latest quarterly report released after Wednesday's market close, highlighting continued strength in demand tied to artificial intelligence, but also guidance that some investors viewed as conservative relative to pricing trends. Analysts at Bank of America reiterated a buy rating and raised price target to $500 from $400, citing durable memory cycle extending into at least calendar 2027, expanding long-term supply agreements, limited cleanroom capacity through 2027 to 2028, and growing role of memory in AI-related token economics as key structural supports. Wedbush Securities argued results and guidance again reflect conservative assumptions relative to underlying pricing trends, with industry checks indicating pricing trends in both DRAM and NAND could be running ahead of management assumptions. Here are the key growth metrics for MU sales growth trailing 12 months, 85.6%. EPS growth next 5 years, 108.2%. Target price upside, 15.3%. Gross Margin Prozent, 69,7%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 5.4%. Overall score, 77.00 out of 100. Metric rating buy. To summarize, MU article recommendation is buy. Growth stock score is 77.00 out of 100. Metric rating buy. LLY. Healthcare sector. Drug manufacturers, General. Eli Lilly and Company. LLY. Reported positive results from its late-stage trial of retatrutide, a next-generation obesity drug, demonstrating significant reductions in blood sugar levels and body weight in adults with type 2 diabetes whose blood sugar was not adequately controlled with diet and exercise. Participants taking the highest 12 milligrams dose experienced an average A1C reduction of up to 2% and lost an average of 36.6 pounds, 16.8% of body weight, with no plateau observed. The trial also reported improvements in cardiovascular risk factors, including non-HDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and systolic blood pressure, with the most commonly reported side effects being nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. Discontinuation rates due to adverse events range from 2.2% to 5.1% across doses, compared to no discontinuations in the placebo group. Additional data from Transcend T2D1 will be presented at the American Diabetes Association Scientific Sessions in June and published in peer-reviewed journal. Here are the key growth metrics for LLY sales growth trailing 12 months, 44.7%. EPS growth next 5 years, 26.7%. Target price upside, 34.8%. Gross Margin Prozent, 83,0%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 18.9%. Overall score, 81.80 out of 100. Metric rating buy. To summarize, LLY article recommendation is buy. Growth stock score is 81.80 out of 100. Metric rating buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 4 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.